Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Communication. Today's we will discuss about scope of communication. Communication is essential in every part of our human life. यानी कि जो संचार है वह हमारे जीवन के हर एक हिस्से में शामिल है, हर एक कण कण में, हर एक पल पल में वह हमारे शामिल है. The scope of communication is wide and pervasive. Human beings are somehow engaged in communication from cradle to grave. No one can pass even a day without communication. The scope of communication are given as follows. Communication in personal life. Communication is closely related to every part of human life. We depend on communication for doing our various activities from dawn to dusk. Nobody can pass his/her daily life without the application of communication. It is an important part and parcel of our personal life. Everybody needs to communicate with different people and organizations daily. Communication in social life. Humans are social beings and every day in the society are related to each other. Business communication has played the vital role in this social freedom of human beings. The presence of communication helps the people to share their sorrows, happiness, etc. We are living in an integrated society because we are on the human civilization. In social life, people need to develop social bondage. Communication helps us in creating and strengthening this social bondage. Communication in the state affairs. The life of state cannot run without the flow of communication. Business communication plays a vital role for different ministries, departments, divisions and offices of the state of performing and activities. The government maintains the functions of the state by the different modes of communication. Without communication, the state neither can administer its various beings nor can maintain relationships with the other part of the world. The whole world has turned into a global village due to revolutionary change in communication. Communication in business. In this modern age, we cannot think of business without communication. Communication is the lifeblood of business. It provides necessary information in formulating business plans and policies. Communication is directly related to the production of goods and services, purchasing and selling, warehousing, distribution and other business activities. Communication in management. Management is the means of achieving organizational goals. The effective communication with the various internal and external parties leads to efficiency and effectiveness of management. The level of management like planning, organizing, recruiting, leading, motivation, coordination and control depend on sound communication method. Every function of management depends on communication. Communication is industrial relations. Industrial relation refers to the management of labor relationship in the industry or in an organization. The good industrial relation means the relationship of owner and employee. It is necessary to bring success in business. Employees are the mainspring of an organization, and their cooperation is must to operate business activities. Free flow of information lessens doubt, confusion, and controversies between workers and management. As a result, the harmonious relationship develops in the organization. Communication in international affairs. The communication is not merely confined within the national boundary. In this age of globalization, all the countries are exchanging their cultural, economic, social, political, educational, technological affairs with each other. Various regional and international organizations such as the United Nations, World Bank, NAFTA, SAFTA, ASEAN, SAARC, EU, etc. have been formed which facilitate cooperation and communication among countries. Communication in religion. Communication is also present in spreading and circulating various religious doctrines. Prophets and saints have preached the verses of Almighty to either followers. Even now, many religious thinkers are performing the duty of preaching and circulating the religious verses.